In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capitalize first letters in Excel. Whether you're dealing with a spreadsheet of names, addresses, or any other data, ensuring that the first letters are capitalized can enhance readability and professionalism. Let's dive right into it. First, start by opening your Excel file containing the data you want to modify. If you're not already in your file, take a moment to launch Excel and get that ready. Once your file is open, there are a couple of methods you can use to achieve proper capitalization, and I'm going to guide you through them. The first method involves using Excel's Flash Fill feature. This is a super handy tool that's very intuitive. Begin by typing the corrected version of the text you want to capitalize in the cell right next to your original data. For instance, if you have a name in lowercase, simply type it out properly capitalized in the adjacent cell. Once you've done this, move to the next cell in the new column and start typing. You'll notice that Excel recognizes the pattern and suggests filling the rest of the column for you. When you see Excel's suggestion, press Enter to accept the changes. However, if Excel doesn't pick up the pattern automatically, you can manually trigger Flash Fill. Go to the Data tab in the ribbon, then click on Data Tools and select Flash Fill. Alternatively, the shortcut Ctrl+C can be used for a quick activation. This shortcut is a great time saver when working with large data sets. Now, if you're looking for a formula-based approach, Excel offers the Proper function, which simplifies capitalizing first letters. You'll need to select a new cell and type in the formula HR Proper A2, where A2 is an example of the cell you'd like to convert. After typing the formula, just hit Enter. You'll immediately see the text in proper case, meaning that each word's first letter is capitalized. To apply this to an entire column, use the Fill handle, which is a small square at the bottom right corner of the cell. Click and drag it down to fill the formula across your desired range. Both methods are effective, so it's really up to you to choose based on your personal preference or specific requirements of your task. With these easy steps, you can ensure your Excel spreadsheets are not only accurate, but also presentable. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.